Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to explain mathematics IGCSE Mathematics Paper 2 extended from May-June 2023. It's 058022, and in this paper you need geometrical instruments to do certain diagrams. So question number 1, find the temperature that is 8 degrees colder than minus 5 degrees Celsius. So it is colder than something, you have to do subtraction from the given temperature. So the given temperature is minus 5. From this again you do minus 8. So what is the answer? Minus 5 minus 8 is minus 13. So minus 13 degrees is the answer. Question number 2. There are two prime numbers in this list. Work out the sum of these two prime numbers. So you have to check for the prime number from these lists given and then add them to find the sum. So 27 is not a prime number because 3 into 9 is 27. It has factors other than 1 and itself. 47 is a prime number because it does not have any other factors other than 1 and 47. 57 has factors, it is divisible by 3 because if I add 5 plus 7 it is 12, and 12 is divisible by 3, so 57 also will be divisible by 3. 61 is not divisible by any number, like it is not a even number, it's not having 0 and 5 in its ones place. If you add the digits also 3, it is not divisible by 3, and it is not divisible by 4 and so on, so it is a prime number. 75 is not a prime number because it's 5 in units place is understood that it is divisible by 5. And 93, again if I add the digits I am getting 12, so 12 is divisible by 3. So these two are the prime numbers. Add them. 7 plus 1 is 8 in ones place. 4 plus 6 is 10 in tens place. So 108 is the answer. Question number 2 is done. Question number 3. On 10 days, Stephen records the number of minutes he has to wait for a train. There are 10 days that minutes have been recorded. These are 10 numbers. Complete the stem and leaf diagram to show this information. Now this information needs to be arranged in a stem and leaf diagram, and the key is given as 0, 1 represents 1 minute. So now the numbers here taken should be arranged in this. So after 1, 3, there is next number 4. Here, next write 4. Next is 5. Let me cancel out which I wrote. There is one more 5. Let me cancel that also, and it is this also will be cancelled. Then 8. This is the number with only 1 digit. Then 2 digits with 1 in tens place and 2 in other digits in another place. So 1 2 1 1 is given. See here, 1 1 1 2. So let me do first this 1 and then this 2. Next comes the number with 2 in tens place. So 23 24 is given. This is also cancelled out. I did not cancel. So 23 and 24 are also there. So 3 and 4. So now count all the numbers 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So 10 is done. Question number B in 3. Find the median. So for finding the median, now you have to arrange these numbers in order from smaller to greater, smallest to greatest. 1 3 4 5 5 8 11 12 23 24. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Cancel out the extremes. For finding out median we need to do this. We are left with two numbers. So 5 plus 8 divided by 2 will be 13 by 2. 13 by 2 will be 6.5. So the median is 6.5 minutes. Question number 3 is done. Question number 4. The distance from town A to town B on a map is 3.5 centimeters. The scale on the map is 1 is to 250,000. Find the actual distance in kilometers from town A to town B. So now the scale is given as 1 centimeter as 250,000 centimeters, and the given distance in on map is 3.5 centimeters. So we have to just multiply 3.5 centimeters with this given scale, then find that in kilometers, convert into kilometers. So 3.5 multiplied by 250,000. Find out. $875,000 centimeters. We got the answer. Now we need to convert it into kilometers. 875,000 divided by 1 kilometer is how many centimeters? We need to see now. 100,000 centimeters is 1 kilometer. So divided by 100,000. When you are converting from smaller unit to bigger unit, you will divide with the corresponding numbers. So here we have to divide with 100,000. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits. You have to move the point. So 8.75 kilometers is the answer. 8.75. Question number 4 is done. Question number 5. A spinner is spun. The possible outcomes are A, B, C or D. The probability of spinning A, C or D is shown in the table. Letters on spinner, probability A, B, C, D. Probabilities are given as A, C, D. B is not given. We need to write the answer for B. So for that, always try to add these given probabilities. 0.2 plus 0.05 plus 0.35 and subtract them from 1 to get the missing probability. Do it. 1 minus 0.2, 0.05, 0.35, close the bracket, 2 by 5, which is 0.4. So the answer is 0.4. Question number 6. Universal set X is X such that 1 less than or equal to X less than or equal to 20. E is set even numbers. M is multiples of 5. M is a set of multiples of 5 up to that 20, because universal set has numbers from 1 to 20 only. If you want to make it much easier, write the sets, the numbers in the sets. So universal set will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. This is universal set. And the set E is even numbers. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Then set M will be multiples of 5. So that will start from 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20. Only 4. So now first question A says find number of elements in M. N of M means number of elements in M. How many? There are 4 only. Question number B, find the elements in the set E intersection M. Now E intersection M is common elements among these two. So common elements among these two will be set with elements which are common. Now 10 is common and 20 is common. So 10 and 20. Question number C. Y does not belongs to E. That means Y is not an element of an even numbers here. Write down a possible value of Y. So now you have to write any value which is not in this set. So you can write any odd number, you can write any number which is decimal or anything which is not having the overall value for these numbers which are in this set. So you, better to write, easy ways to write any odd number. So 30. This is question number 6. Question number 7. Without using a calculator, work out 4 by 7 divided by 1 5 by 21. So without calculator you have to do, so just follow the rules of fraction. So when I am dividing a fraction with a mixed number, I need to change this mixed number into an improper fraction. So 21 multiplied by 1 is 21. Then add 5 to it, that is numerator, it will be 26, and the denominator will be same. So 26 by 21. Then whenever you are dividing a fraction with a fraction, you can multiply it with the inverse of that reciprocal of the next fraction, that is the divisor. This is the one. Now here you can cancel out wherever possible. 2 2s are 4, 2 13s are 26, then 7 1s are 7, 7 3s are 21. So 2 into 6 it is in the numerator, and 1 into 13 it is there in the denominator. So 6 by 13 is the answer. 6 by 13. Question number 8. Solve 30 by x is equal to 6. This is solving for x. You can see the it is there in the denominator. Cross multiply, because it is 30 by x is equal to 6 by 1. So when I cross multiply, 30 into 1 will be 30 and x into 6 will be 6x. Equation. Now keeping x on the left hand side, bring 6 on the right hand side, so that gets divided. So 30 divided by 6 is 5. So the answer is 5. Question number B. Inequality. 11x minus 3 is greater than or equal to 2 into 2x plus 9. Now whenever you are doing inequality, you will consider it as an equality and try to do the same way how you did. So first you see that on the right hand side there is a bracket, you have to simplify it first. So 11x minus 3 is greater than or equal to 2 into 2x is 4x, then 2 into 9 is 18. Now bring the x terms on the left hand side and constants on the right hand side. 11x is already there here, and bring 4x on the left hand side. It is positive, it becomes negative, and this is negative. When you bring it on the right hand side, it will be plus 3. So 11x minus 4x is 7x, greater than or equal to 18 plus 3 is 21. Now again we need only x on the left hand side, so x is greater than or equal to 21. 7 is multiplying and it will be divided on the right hand side. So this gives you x greater than or equal to 3, which is the answer. Question number B is done. In 8th question, 9th question now. F is the point 1 minus 4, FG is 8 minus 3, and GH is minus 12 35. Find 3FG. So 3FG is 3 multiplied with the vector FG. So 3 into FG is already given, 8 minus 3. So 3 into 8 is 3 8s are 24, and 3 into minus 3 is minus 9. This is the answer. Question number B, FG plus DH. Okay, so you have to add these two vectors. So FG is 8 minus 3, plus GH is minus 12 35. Find out 8 minus 12 is minus 4, and minus 3 35 is 32. You can use calculators also for this. So minus 4 32. This is question B done. Now question C, the coordinates of the point G. Now we need to find out G here, okay. We have been given F, but we have not been given H and G, so they are asking us to find out G. So to find out G, we have to do FG and GH. You have to subtract FG and GH, or you can take the vector FG for that. So now let me first write FG. FG will be equal to OF minus OG. That means the vector OG we will find out. Then we'll get the coordinates of G. So now we know FG, we know OF. OF is 1 minus 4. So FG is 8 minus 3. OF is 1 minus 4 minus OG. Now to get OG, we have to do, we bring this to the left hand side, so it will be negative. Because it is negative, it will be 1 minus 4 minus 8 minus 3. OG is equal to 1 minus 4 minus 8 minus 3. Okay, plus it is. Yeah, it is plus. Because see, if I bring this onto the left hand side, it is plus OG, and then yeah, this is not OF minus OG, it should be OG minus OF. OG minus OF. OG, vector OG minus OF. See, I'll explain here once little bit deeply. Because now see, suppose if this is O and F is somewhere here F and G is somewhere here G. So FG, if vector FG is there, it has to be FO from F to O, then plus O to G, right? But FO is, it is OF to us because F coordinates are given. So OF means it is negative of F. Negative of FO is, negative of OF is FO. So negative OF plus OG. So this will be ultimately OG minus OF. Okay. So OG minus OF will be, to get OF we have to do OG minus OF, right? To get OG we have to do FG plus OF. Okay, FG plus OF. So here OG is not given to us. OG and OF is 1 minus 4. OG 1 minus 4. So I need to add these two to get OG. OG is equal to 1 minus 4 plus 8 minus 3. Now 1 plus 8 is 9. Okay, write down here. OG is equal to 9 and minus 4 minus 3 is minus 7. So when OG is 9 minus 7, G will be, coordinates of G will be 9 and minus 7. Question number C is done. Question number D. The magnitude of vector GH. Now we need to find the magnitude of a vector GH. GH is what? Minus 12. What is GH given to us? Minus 12, 35. So magnitude of GH will be square root of minus 12 whole square plus 35 whole square. That is find in the calculator. So magnitude of GH is 37. Question number 9 is done. 10. Question number 10, there is a transformation given, and question A they are asking us describe fully the single transformation that maps shape A onto shape B. Okay, and rotate shape A 90 degrees clockwise about the point minus 1, 2, and enlarge shape A by scale factor minus 2, center 2O. So this complete question I have explained in detail. You can go through the description, and I'll put the description link exactly beside the question number. So please go through that. Question number 10 is done. Question number 11. The diagram shows the shape A, B, C, D formed by the sectors of two circles with the same center O. Both sector angles are 140 degrees. OC is equal to 3.2 centimeters and CB is equal to 2.6 centimeters. The area of the shape is K pi centimeter square. Find the value of K. So we have been given the area in terms of a constant K and pi. So first we'll find out the area doing the calculation in terms of pi only, and then whatever remains with the constant, that will be the value of K. Okay, so these are the two sectors here. So the area of the shaded shape will be the big sector minus the small sector. If you will get the shaded part. Okay, so the area of sector OAB will be area of sector OAB, the big one, is 360 pi by 360, that is 140 by 360 into pi r square. So pi into r is the total of these two. That means we need to add this 3.2 and 2.6. So pi r square, 3.2 plus 2.6 whole square. Theta by 360 into pi r square. This is the area of the sector OAB. Then area of sector ODC. Area of sector ODC will be theta by 360 into pi into, what is the r value here? Just this 3.2. So 3.2 square. You have to add these two. Okay, so subtract. So area of shaded shape, area of the shaded shape, shaded part, this minus this, the big sector minus the small sector. So for that, let me add these two. 3.2 plus 2.6 is how much? 3.2 plus 2.6 is 5.8, and 5.8 square is how much? 33.64. Okay, so 140 by 360 into pi into 33.64 minus 140 by 360 into pi into 3.2 square will do. 3.2 square is 10.24. Now in this two subtractions we can take 140 by 360 into pi as common. So 140 by 360 into pi into 33.64 minus 10.24. And what is 140 by 360? You can cancel out 0. Cancel with 2. 2 sevens are 2. 1s are 8s are 7 by 18. 7 by 18 into pi into subtraction, this subtraction. So 33.64 minus 10.24 is equal to 23.4. So 7 by 18 into pi into 23.4. We can do this 7 by 18 into 23.4 to make it a constant. So let us do into 7 by 18. (9.1). So k value is 9.1. So this will be equal to 9.1 pi centimeter square. So k pi centimeter square is equal to 9.1 pi centimeter square. So k value is 9.1. Question number 11 is done. Question number 12. One solution of the equation ax square plus b is equal to 181 is x is equal to 8. A and b are both positive integers greater than 1. So we need to find the value of b first for this given condition. So this equation is equal to 181 when x is equal to 8. So just try to substitute that values. So a into x square when x is equal to 8, a into 8 square plus b is equal to 181. So this is 64a plus b is equal to 181. So b is equal to, you need to take the values of a or b which is greater than 1, right? So let us take a as 2. So when a is equal to 2, then b will be, what is b? We'll find out. So 64 into 2 plus b is equal to 181. So 64 into 2 is 128 plus b is equal to 181. This will give you b is equal to 181 minus 128. How much it will be? 181 minus 128, 53. So b is equal to 53. Now next we will also take the other possibility, that is greater than 1. So let us take when a is equal to 3. Then b will be 64 into 3 plus b is equal to 181. 64 into 3 will be 3 4s are 12. We can do in the calculator also. 64 into 3 is 192. Now I got 192 on the left hand side and right hand side is 181. So if I subtract, I will get b value as negative. So 181 minus 192, because this is bigger, so I'll get negative. So that is not possible because a and b both are integers and they are greater than 1. So greater than this negative value cannot be greater than 1. So our this assumption a is equal to 2 where b is equal to 53 is correct. So write down the value of b as 53. Question number A is done. Question number B, write down the other solution of the equation ax square plus b is equal to 181. Now we have got one solution as 8. Let us find out the other solution by taking these values of a and b. So when a is b, sorry. So a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 53. Use this here. So 2x square plus 53 is equal to 181. X square will be 181 minus 53 by 2. What is 181 minus 53 by 2? Find out. 181 minus 53 by 2. 64. So that means x square we got as 64, right? X will be plus or minus root 64. So x will be equal to plus or minus 8. So we already know that 8 is x is positive 8. So the next value will be, other value will be negative 8. This is question number 12 done. Question number 13. A, B, C and D are points on a circle. AB is parallel to DC and angle ACD is equal to 32 degrees. This angle is given. AB and DC are parallel. Angle ACD is 32. Chords AC and DB intersect at E. They are intersecting at E. Find the value of x. We need to find the value of x here. Okay, so now for finding this value, you can take the triangle EDC and find the other angle here. No, we'll take the triangle ABE and we'll say that these two angles are equal, alternate interior angles. So this angle is 32. Okay, that is 32. Then and we'll say that the angles in the alternate segment, angles in the same segment are equal. So here the segment AD makes an angle 32. So the same segment AD will also make the angle here 32. So angles in the same segment, angles of the same segment are equal. Okay, so let's see here. First we'll say angle ABD is equal to angle ACD. Angles of same segment. Then angle BAC is equal to angle ACD because they are alternate interior angles, because the parallel lines are given to us. Interior angles. So now we know these two angles also have 32. So now we know this is 32, this is 32, 32, 32. So in triangle AEB, x is equal to 180 minus 32 plus 32, which is 180 minus 64. Find out. 116. So x is 116. Question number 14. F of x is equal to 5x plus 2. Functions question. Find f inverse of x is equal to, we need to find out. So for any given, when they are asking us the inverse of a given function, we'll take the given function to be some other variable y, and keeping x on the left hand side, bring all the numbers to the right hand side, is equal to y minus 2, because plus 2 becomes minus 2. Then x is equal to y minus 2. Y is 5 is multiplying, it gets divided on the right hand side. Now this is x in terms of y. So therefore f inverse of x will be, in place of x, in place of y, put x in the given the function, the variable whichever you got, put x in that, you will get the inverse of that function. So the answer is x minus 2 by 5. Question number 14 is done. Question number 15. C is the point 5 minus 1 and D is the point 13, 15. Find the midpoint of CD. So the midpoint of any two given points and its line will be x1 plus x2 by 2. This is x1, this is x2, and this is y1 and this is y2. So x1 plus x2 by 2, 5 plus 13 by 2 will be the x coordinate of the midpoint, and y1 plus y2 by 2 minus 1 plus 15 by 2, this will be the y coordinate of the midpoint. 5 plus 13 is 18 by 2, minus 1 plus 15 is 14 by 2. 18 by 2 will be 9 and 14 by 2 will be 7. So the midpoint is 9, 7. Question number B. Find the gradient of CD. First, same thing, you have to follow the rule y2 minus y1. We know the rule to find the gradient when the 2 points are given of a line. So y2 minus y1, 15 minus of minus 1 by x2 minus x1, that is 13 minus 5. So 15 minus of minus becomes plus 1, 13 minus 5 is 8, 16 by 8, which is 2. So the gradient is 2. Question number C. Find the equation of the perpendicular bisector of CD. Give your answers in the form y is equal to mx plus c. Now the perpendicular bisector of CD we need to find. So for that we need to find the gradient of the perpendicular bisector of CD and also the point from which it is passing. So this perpendicular bisector will also pass through the midpoint of the line which we got. So 9, 7 will be the point which it passes through, and gradient will be, m will be the reciprocal, negative reciprocal of the line CD. This is the point and gradient. Now using this point and gradient we'll find the equation. The rule is y minus y1, so 7, y minus y1 is equal to m into, that is gradient, into x minus x1, that is 9. So y minus 7, open the bracket, minus x by 2 plus 9 by 2. Bring 7 on the other side. Y is equal to minus 1 by 2x plus 9 by 2 plus 7. Simplify this. Y is equal to minus 1 by 2x. Because the denominator is 1, the LCM will be 2 here. 9 will be as it is, but 7 will be multiplied to 2, that is 14. So y will be equal to minus 1 by 2x plus 9 plus 14 is 23 by 2. This is the answer. Minus 1 by 2x plus 23 by 2. Question number 15 is done. Question 16 now. Write 0.621, which is there is the repetition up to 1 as happening here. Write 0.6212121 so on as a fraction in its simplest form. You must show all your working. So for this such kind of questions, you will always take let x is equal to 0.6212121 so on. This is equation 1. Now multiplying equation 1 by 10. So it will be 10x is equal to 10 into 0.62121 will be 6 will be on the left side now. 212121 so on. This is equation 2. Then multiplying equation 1 by 1000. Now I want 1 to be on the left hand side together, so I'll take 1 2 3 digits to the left side, so I'll multiply by 1000. So 1000x is equal to 621.2121 so on. This is equation 3. Subtract 2 from 3. So 1000x minus 10x will be 1000 minus 10. 990 you will get. So 990x and 621.212121 621.2121 so on, and 6.2121 so on. Subtract, if you do after decimal point you get zeros, and before decimal point it is 11 minus 6 1. So 11 minus 6 is 5 and 1 615. So you get 615 on the right hand side. Now keeping x, you take 990 on the other side. 615 by 990. Try to simplify this now. So 3 2s are 6, 0s are and 5s are. Then 3 into 30, 330. 3 3s are 3 3s are 0. Next 5 4s are 5 1s are. With 5 I'll divide now, and 5 6 are 5 6 are. I think we cannot simplify further. So x is 41 by 66. Question number 16 is done. Question number 17. The diagram shows a triangle with an acute angle marked x degrees. The area of the triangle is 2143 centimeter square. Work out the value of x. So here the area is given to us, and we don't know the angle, but we know the two sides. So area of a triangle, if you find by using a sine rule, because we know two sides and one angle, we have to do the rule as area is equal to half into two sides, that is a into b, into sine of the angle in between them, that is c. This is the rule. So taking that rule, and we know the area already, so half into 71 into 92.5 into sine x is equal to 2143. Now simplify wherever possible. It is not simplification is not possible. So keeping sine x on the left hand side, try to bring everything on the right hand side. 2 is dividing here, it will be multiplied on the right hand side, and these two are getting multiplied, so it will be divided on the right hand side. Now take this, keep x and bring sine on the left hand side. So sine inverse is applied on both sides. So sine inverse is applied on the left side, sine will be cancelled. Sine inverse on right side will be this whole thing, 2143 into 2 by 71 into 92.5. Use your calculators for this. Sine inverse 2143 into 2 by 71 into 92.5. $40.7384. $7,384 will be 74. You can round it to 2 decimal places. So x degrees is, x value is 40.74. Question number 17 is done. Question number 18. Make x the subject of the formula. So whatever you are taking as the subject, keep it on left hand side so that it will be easy for you to transpose the things. Bring this 2x minus 5 to the right hand side. So c into 2x minus 5 will be multiplied. Now we need to bring x value on the left hand side, right? X terms. So open this bracket, 2cx minus 5c. Then bring this x term on the right hand side, left hand side. So minus 2cx is equal to minus 5c. Then keeping this is negative, so to cancel out the negative, we'll multiply minus with on both sides. So this becomes positive and this becomes negative, and this is positive 5c. Now taking x common, 2c minus 3 will be in brackets here. Now bring this on the right hand side to make x as subject. 5c, if here it is multiplied, it will be divided. So 5c minus 2c, 5c by 2c minus 3 will be the answer. This is question number 18 done. Question number 19. M is inversely proportional to the square of t plus 2. M is equal to 0.64 when t is equal to 3. Find m when t is equal to 8. Okay, the proportionality is given to us. M is inversely proportional to square root of, inversely means you have to write like this, square root of t plus 2. Now the proportionality can be changed into equation by multiplying a constant to this term, 1 plus t root 2, root t plus 2. This will be the equation. Now, oh sorry, it's m. It's not y, it's m. Okay, m. Now they have been given that 0, they have given here that 0.64 and t is equal to 3. So substitute the values. 0.64 is equal to k into 1 by root t is 3 plus 2. Now this will be 0.64 is equal to k into 1 by the inversely proportional to the square of, okay, this is again one more mistake, I'm sorry students, this is square, not square root. Square is t plus 2 square whole square. So k into 1 by t plus 2 whole square. This will be the equation. So here it will be 3 plus 2 whole square, that is 5 square. Now this gives you 0.64. When you bring this 5 square on the left hand side, it will be multiplied to 0.64 and k will be here. So k value is 0.64 into 5 square. Find out using calculators. 0.64 into 5 square, 16. Once again, let me see. Yeah, 16. So now we got the value of k, that is 16. Now we will find out m when t is equal to 8. So take this main equation now. M is equal to k into 1 by t plus 2 whole square. Now we know what is m and what is t now. So when t is equal to 8, m will be, we know k, 16 into 1 by 8 plus 2 whole square. So this will be 16 by 8 plus 2 is 10, 10 square is 100. 16 by 100 is 0.16. So our answer is 0.16. Question number 19 is done. Question number 20. In the Venn diagram, shade the region A intersection B complement intersection C. A intersection B complement intersection C. So try to understand here what is B complement. B complement is the whole part only except B. That will be the, this will be B complement. Leaving B, you have to shade all the region like this. This is B complement. So now this is intersecting with A. Intersection means this is which is common to A and the B complement part. So that means only this part. Let me do with another color. This part. This is A complement, B, A intersection, B complement. Now intersection C complement. Till here it will be, sorry. A intersection B complement will be till here. Now that is again intersection C, means the common area is in between this and C. So that is the middle part, right? The middle part is, let me change the color. Yeah, this one. This will be that part. This part. So just shade this part. Okay, so that will be the A intersection B complement intersection C. So just color this part. Don't color the other region here like this. This is the answer. Question number 20 is finished. Question number 21. Solve the equation 5 sin x is equal to minus 3 for 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 360. This is, we need to find the value of x, that is the angle. Okay, so take the equation first. 5 into sin x is equal to minus 3. So sin x will be, bringing 5 onto the other side, it will be divided by 5. Then x will be sine inverse of 3 by 5. We cannot take negative because the values of 0 to 360 are taken, not the negative values. So taking the mnemonic, all students take calculus. Sine is negative in third and fourth quadrant. So third is 180 plus the angle which we get, that is theta, and fourth is 360 plus minus theta. have to subtract from 360. To use the calculator for the value of sine there, angle there, so sine inverse 3 by 5, 3 by 5, 36.86, that is 36.8. Let me see the other decimal, 869. So let me take 87. Okay, 87. Now one of the value will be 36.87 plus 180. This is x, and then 36 point, sorry, let me write properly so that it will not confuse you. So 180 plus theta, 180 plus 36.87, and 360 minus 36.87 will be the other x value. So find out 36.87 plus 180 216.87 then 360 minus 36.87, that is 323.13. So these are the values for x. So 216.87, no need to write degrees, we need finding the value of x. Then 323.13. These are the two values of x we get here. Question number 22. Write a single fraction in its simplest form. So two of the fractions are given with algebraic expressions. We need to make it one fraction. So for that we need to do the LCM of denominators, and when you have expressions of algebraic expressions, you have to multiply them to find LCM. So 3x plus 2 multiplied by 2x minus 1. Then when you are taking the numerators, you have to cross multiply. So 5 will be multiplied to 2x minus 1, 4 will be multiplied to 3x plus 2. 5 into 2x is 10x, 5 into minus 1 is minus 5, plus 4 into 3x is 12x, 4 into 2 is 8, by 3x plus 2 into x 2x minus 1. Just simplify the numerator. 10x plus 12x is 22x, minus 5 plus 8 is plus 3, by denominator same, 3x plus 2 into 2x minus 1. That's all. So 22x plus 3 by 3x plus 2 into 2x minus 1. Question number 22 is done. Question number 23. Bag A and bag B each contain red sweets and yellow sweets. So in bag A and bag B we have two kinds of sweets, red and yellow. Anna picks a sweet at random from bag A. Ben picks a sweet at random from bag B. So Anna is picking from bag A and Ben is picking from bag B. The probability that Anna picks a red sweet is 2 by 5. The probability Anna and Ben both pick a yellow sweet is 1 by 10. find the probability that Anna and Ben both pick a red sweet. Now to find out the probability of Anna and Ben, we need to know the probability of Ben picks a red sweet, right? We need to know that probability. Okay, we already know the probability of Anna picking the red sweet. We also need probability of Ben picking the red sweet. So for that we need to use the probability of Anna and Ben both picking yellow sweet. So first we'll write the probability of Anna picking yellow sweet will be how much? Probability of Anna picking yellow sweet will be 1 minus 2 by 5, because she picked red sweet is 2 by 5, right? So from 1 I subtract 2 by 5, I get 3 by 5. So Anna picking the yellow sweet is 3 by 5. And then we need, we already know the probability of Anna and Ben. So Anna and probability of Ben is 1 by 10. So 3 by 5 into, we don't know this, of Ben pick yellow sweet is equal to 1 by 10. This is for yellow sweet. This is yellow sweet picking, yellow. Then to get this probability of Ben picks yellow sweet, (1 by 10) into 5 by 3. This 3 by 5 will be on the other side, that is 5 by 3. So it is 1 by 6. Now using this, find the probability of Ben picking red sweet. Ben picks red sweet. 1 minus 1 by 6, that is 5 by 6. Now probability of Anna and Ben both. Anna and Ben both pick red sweet will be multiplication of 5 by 6 into the given probability, that is 2 by 5. 5 by 6 into 2 by 5. 5 gets cancelled, 2 by 6 is simplified to 1 by 3. So answer is 1 by 3. Okay students, this was the last question. See you in the next video with another question paper or any topic where I feel like to explain in a different way. If you want me to come up with some of the explanations where you needed anything, please do comment to me. I'll definitely make video on that. And please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.